You will never guess what we were gifted. This. Didn't even know this existed, and this is definitely not going on my teeth because it is a Bejewel, Bedazzle, Crazy Gems for your teeth. So there is no way that I'm doing it, but this beautiful young lady thinks it's going to be an amazing, fun little project. We're going to open this up. Hold this, baby. Because it has all the insides that you are going to need. Now, let me show you here. Look at all the gems. There are hundreds and hundreds of little gems in here. And it has everything you need. So it has the cleaner for your teeth. It has the glue. It has, who knows what else is in here. Oh, look, directions. That would be handy. It has the UV light and the mouth. We can't wait to make her look funny with the mouth thing. That's going to be my favorite part. We're going to get started. I'm going to let her pick out some gems and we're going to show you the process. Okay, so first you're going to put in the mouth spreader thingy, and then you're going to clean your teeth. Now, I was really hoping she would sing a song because this mouth thing is hilarious. Now, it does give you all the directions that you need right in the package, and it gives you everything you do need to accomplish this. So she cleaned her teeth beforehand and then used the swab. Now this is probably the glue, and it comes, no, what is it?
Just clean, is it like a
Oh, it's still a cleaner. Okay, so this is still a cleaner because you want it extra squeaky clean so it adheres properly. So you just move this utensil around, get that tooth all clean, and then you're gonna move it to the next stage of the glue after you pick out your gem. Now there's two ways to gather your gem. There is little tweezers that you can use, but then there is also a sticky little pencil tool that she finds is a little bit easier. You just stick it right to the gem, get it prepped and ready to go, and it will go right onto the tooth. Okay, so you want your mouth as dry as possible. So if you start drooling, you're gonna wanna wipe it off. Now she moved on to the glue because she picked out what gems she wanted. This mouth guard makes it so much easier than trying to pull your cheek open. And now she's spreading the glue on, grabbing a gem and just placing it right into place. You can do whichever teeth you would like to have. They have so many different colors and shape choices. Her younger sisters even want to get in on the action. Let her put a few more gems on, and then we are going to see it in all of its full glory. Okay, so she got all of her teeth done, and these two wanted them done too. So even though I'm not putting any on my teeth, this is definitely a hit for them. Let us see it, girls. So if you are wanting some bling for your mouth, this is what you should get. Show it.